What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs. I know it's been a while since I've had a video on, but anyways, I thought I would go ahead and do a video here of headlight restoration. Now I know you've probably seen thousands of videos and we all do it relatively the same way, but a lot of the ones that I see, they're just real excessive. They go way above and beyond what they really need to, and usually it's on a set of headlights that is only a few years old. This headlight is from a 2003 Chevy Malibu, which you see the vehicle behind me, which this is just an extra set that I got with the cars. So I'm going to go ahead and just do one, show you how I do it. And I've always gotten great results, so we're going to go ahead and get right into it, and I'm just going to show you how. So if you've seen a lot of these videos, you'll know that they've got this like fancy little tiny sander or something that they use, and they usually start out with like some extremely heavy grit for whatever reason. I have no idea, but I use 1500 and I wet sand 1500. I'll just spray a little. This has a little bit of detergent in it, so it'll kind of clean it, and there is not really much of a reason to get too crazy with this. Like I said, you use a little detergent and you can clean it at the same time you're wet sanding. Like I say, I use anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 grit, kind of depending on what I got available. But anyway, I just do it like I'm wet sanding about anything. As you can see, it's already getting cleaned up and starting to look better already. So, I'll go ahead and wipe this down real good, dry it up, and then we can get into the next stage. I'll go ahead and spray a little extra on, but you can see that it's already much cleaner, but due to the sandpaper, it'd probably be a little gritty looking still. So, and kind of smoky. Let that dry, and then what I'll do is I just use like a little cheapy buffer. It's just something from Walmart, just a little cheapy. As you can see, it's a auto spa. It's a little cheapy, and just a regular buffing polishing pad. I start off with a little bit of, well, this is turned into liquid, but it's just a little, it's turtle wax rubbing compound. I just use a little bit on the buffing pad. Like I said, this is turned into liquid. It's not supposed to be a liquid, but anyways. And of course, you know, you can take the same rag here and fold it up a little bit and wipe it off. And then what I'll usually do is I will take just a little bit of turtle wax, cream wax, and I'll just put a little bit on there, and get a little bit more. You can use the liquid wax if you want, it doesn't matter either way. And then I coat the whole thing. Like I say, I've never had any problem with the results that I get from this method. And then I will go ahead and I'll use the same buffer with the same pad. It's not a big ordeal. And again, you can use that same rag. Wipe it down again. And if you want to, you can go ahead and do another coat. Do it one more time. I don't even get more for the second time around. I'll just use what's on the pad. Let it set up for a minute or so. I know I didn't let the first coat set up, but I'm going to go ahead and let this one set up a little bit, and you'll see as it turns white or creamy looking that whenever it's set up. So I mean, you could basically do this all by hand if you want. I'll just use tools to help me out, make it a little faster. And there's like on the inside, there's like pilling and stuff from the inside and stuff, which isn't a huge ordeal. The main goal is to make it to where they look better and they get more light through so that you can see much better at night. And since this has started to get creamy and it's pretty much set up, because it wasn't a very thick layer anyhow, and that is pretty much it. It's kind of just how I do it. I mean, you can let it set for a little bit longer and cream back up again if you want, but you don't really have to. And voila. So it's not like factory perfect by no means. Like I said, there's stuff on the inside. I mean, it is a 22-year-old headlight, but the point is it looks way better. It's probably at about 75%. If you can't at least get it looking 70 to 75%, you know, then you probably ought to get new headlights anyway. So I'll show you up close here what it looks like. As you can see, it looks so much better than what it did. You can actually see inside now, and I'll show you the other one. Whoops, wrong one. So as you can see, this is exactly what the other one looked like, and the difference is vast. I could probably get it a little better, and I could probably put something in there to kind of soak out some of that schmutz that's in there and stuff, because like I say, you can see that brown stuff. That's these are Malibu headlights from like the 98 or 99 to the 05, 06, whatever it was, this model year. They're notorious for building up moisture for some reason. So actually I put a couple of little drain holes in these if I ever run across them. So anyways, like I say, you can see where it's been mineralized and stuff and on the inside, but I can get that cleaned out, put a little cleaner in there, clean it up real good. and probably even get rid of like this. This isn't on the outside, this is on the inside. So anyways, that is my little video on my headlight restoration. Pretty easy. It's not super difficult to do, but like I say, a lot of the other guys, they just get way excessive, going down to like 100 grit or 150 grit or something, and that's really uncalled for. There's no reason that you would ever have to go that deep. Like I say, 22-year-old headlights, maybe not factory perfect, but as long as I did a little more cleaning inside and stuff, I mean, those things look amazing. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other one too and get it cleaned up, and I'll get the stuff out of these. And anyways, they'll be a lot better. It'll be a nice extra set to have with the car, you know, instead of, you know, having to buy another set. So anyways, appreciate y'all watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications, leave me a comment if you wish, and share the video with other people, because like I said, I know there's like a butt ton of headlight restoration videos, but you know, this is my way of doing it. It's quick, it's simple, and it works. So anyways, have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.